In this video, we are going to talk about how to learn stock market trading. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Have you ever wondered where it all began for all of the seasoned investors? It's critical to master the fundamentals of stock investing if you're new to it. Stock investing is not a straightforward topic, despite the number of materials available for excellent instruction. It will require some trial and error, a lot of practice, and perseverance to stay focused on the work, much like learning a new skill such as how to ride a bike. Stock investors who have been around for a while understand that this is essentially a lifelong game. You must continue to study and stay up with current trends and advancements in the financial sector as you go through the game. The good news is that the techniques and concepts that have worked for so long are still applicable today, and they are readily accessible to the majority of people. Develop, fine-tune, and enhance your skills. The fact that it is a long-term game might work in your favor. Even novice investors will have plenty of opportunities to learn, practice, and improve their abilities. The tactics are timeless and may assist players at any time. More importantly, the investment game is constantly on and never stops, allowing you to jump in and out whenever you choose. What should I do first? So, if you're a novice investor wondering where to begin, here are 6 suggestions. Number 1. Keep an eye on what you're doing. Market news websites like Yahoo Finance, The Economist, and Google Finance provide up-to-date information and are a great resource for beginners and experienced investors alike. Financial news and analysis may be found on websites such as the Wall Street Journal and Bloomberg. New investors may learn a lot about market trends, expert analysis, new ideas, and tools, as well as an understanding of the overall business environment by spending only a few minutes each day scrolling through the headlines and reading breaking stories. Charts, graphs, and indexes provided on a regular basis by a variety of websites will aid those who want to analyze numerical data. It's just 15 minutes every day. New investors may learn a lot about market trends, expert analysis, new ideas, and tools, as well as an understanding of the overall business environment by spending only a few minutes each day scrolling through the headlines and reading breaking stories. Charts, graphs, and indexes provided on a regular basis by a variety of websites will aid those who want to analyze numerical data. Business and stock-related TV programs and networks are also plentiful and provide useful information. They're an easy way to keep tabs on the market on a daily basis. Even 15 minutes a day of watching CNBC programming may help you extend your knowledge and get investment insights. Bloomberg TV and Fox Business News are 2 more alternatives. Number 2. Keep yourself up to date. The stock market is very volatile, with changes occurring on a daily basis. It is critical for a stock investor to keep up with all pertinent news. Every piece of news, large or little, political, social, or even entertainment related, has an impact on the stock market. So, if you want to make money from stock investing, keep up with what's going on in the market. Here are some pointers on how to stay current. Every day, read the news. It remains one of the greatest sources of current events and market information, in my opinion. For instant updates, tune into business-related TV networks and programs. CNBC, for example, broadcasts real-time market information. On a regular basis, browse relevant websites. Stock market websites that are up to date and provide real-time data on stock prices and movements are the best. I've seen some stock investors who just depend on web data perform well. These websites are quite useful for investors who want to know how much their stock portfolios are worth at the moment. You may choose from a large number of useful applications for investors to download and utilize. Magazines for business are also informational gold mines. Despite the fact that they are not as often published as newspapers, they offer vital material that may be quite beneficial to you. Select 1 or 2 periodicals that are relevant to your stock holdings and publish articles, monthly reports, and data. Number 3. Expert recommendations. Meanwhile, you may like to read some professional advice. Look over these. The book The Neatest Little Guide to Stock Market Investing, 5th edition is the 5th edition of the book The Neatest Little Guide to Stock Market Investing, 4th edition. Download the Seeking Alpha web app to keep up with your stocks on a daily basis, as well as obtain stock recommendations and market forecasts. For news and market analysis, go to investopedia.com. For new stock choices and ideas, tune into the Motley Fool podcast. The Wall Street Journal's and the New York Times business sections should be read. Take a look at Khan Academy's stock fundamentals videos. Number 4. Create an account with a stockbroker. Open a trading account with a reputable online stockbroker. It's possible that your own banks provide this service. Look for one that offers simple trading tools and is knowledgeable about how they function as well as the site's other features. Virtual trading is offered by certain online trading companies as a way for novice investors to try their hand at trading. This is a great method to practice trading and investing without risking any money. Investing is also more accessible than you would think. You can get started with very little investment. Before you get started, make sure you compare low-cost stock trading systems. Number 5. Before you try the real thing, try a stock trading simulator. Virtual trading, which is a feature accessible on many online broker sites, is a fantastic way to learn to trade stocks. This program lets you practice buying and selling actual stocks without risking any money in order to get a sense of how the game works. You may start utilizing real money after you've mastered the fundamentals and are confident in your trading abilities. Some argue, however, that jumping directly into stock trading is the greatest way for a novice to get their feet wet. In any event, it's best to start small, with 10 to 20 shares, since the game remains the same no matter how many you trade. Investing a huge sum of money all at once is extremely dangerous, since a quick loss might wipe out your whole investment and deter you from continuing. Diversifying your portfolio to include several sorts of businesses is also a smart idea. Number 6. Subscriptions and services that must be paid for added value. Investing in market research and studies has its own set of advantages. You may benefit from the professional counsel and learn from their achievements and errors. Paid resources abound on the internet that may assist you in learning stock trading depending on your expertise level. Simply exercise patience in locating and picking the website that has the highest quality and material that meets your requirements. However, prospective investors should be aware that some websites are just frauds meant to extort large sums of money from members in exchange for obsolete or worthless information. Check the site's legitimacy and ability to give what you want by doing some due research. If you're serious about paying for a service, consider the following. Invest in ebooks that are used for trading. For novices, learning from them is still a popular and efficient method. However, other people doubt their value, claiming that certain inexpensive books are little more than a waste of time. Attend workshops on trading. For one or two of these sessions, be prepared to pay a significant sum. It's crucial to choose the right one since it might wind up being nothing more than an overpriced meet and greet with your fellow newbies. Enroll in online education. Because you can study from the convenience of your own home or workplace, you may find them quite useful. Will they, on the other hand, help you achieve your goal of offering a worthwhile learning experience? Again, the course and service you choose will be the most important factors. Instruction, coaching, and mentoring on a one-on-one basis. Expert instructors demand a hefty cost for their time and expertise, making this the most expensive learning technique. Is it certain that if you use this strategy, you will become a successful trader? There is still none, unfortunately. These techniques will also educate you with technical tools and evaluation processes like as stock scanning, charting, moving averages, and spike indicators, among others. Don't be intimidated by these tools, they're simple to use and will come in handy. Always remember that the price is still the finest narrator for you in trading in any commodity. So, after you've thrown your hat into the ring, make sure you don't go a day without monitoring the stock prices. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.